We're going to review vocabulary about la familia. Repite, la familia. La familia is the family. I want you to tell me who the person is that the arrow is pointing to. ¿Quién es? Es el papá. El papá. Repite, el papá. ¿Quién es? Es la mamá. Repite, la mamá. ¿Quién es? Es el abuelo. Repite, el abuelo. ¿Quién es? Es la abuela. Repite, la abuela. ¿Quién es? Es el hermano. Es el hermano mayor, the older brother. Repite, el hermano. ¿Quién es? Es la hermana mayor, the older sister. Repite, la hermana. ¿Quién es? Es el bebé. Repite, el bebé. ¿Qué es? Es el perro. Repite, el perro. ¿Qué es? Es el gato. Repite, el gato. Muy bien. Now we're going to talk about the verb tener. Tener means to have. So in Spanish, the verb tener means to have in English. When we want to ask somebody, what do you have? We ask, ¿qué tienes? Repite, ¿qué tienes? What do you have? When we ask somebody, ¿qué tienes? We answer with, yo tengo. Repite, yo tengo. Yo tengo means I have. So let's repeat those words together again. The verb tener, repite, tener. Tener means to have. Repite, ¿qué tienes? When we ask ¿qué tienes?, we're asking, what do you have? Repite, yo tengo. Yo tengo is answering the question, what do you have, with I have. So remember, when we want to ask, what do you have, we ask, ¿qué tienes? Repite, ¿qué tienes? I want you to answer the question, saying, I have in Spanish, and the name of the family member. Okay, so in this case, we're going to say, I have a dog. I have in Spanish is yo tengo, and dog is, that's right, un perro. Yo tengo un perro. I have a dog. Repite, yo tengo un perro. ¿Qué tienes? What do you have? I want you to say, I have a cat. Cat in Espanol is, that's right, gato. Yo tengo un gato. I have a cat. ¿Qué tienes? What do you have? I have, this is me, two sisters. Two in Spanish is dos, sisters as hermanas. So I'm going to say, yo tengo dos hermanas. I have two sisters. I want you to say, I have a big family. Family is familia, big is grande. So you're going to say, yo tengo una familia grande. I have a family, big, a big family.